Hello guys, how are you all? Do you want to earn profit in share market? Well, let's go through some important tips. And be sure not to skip the video. Please watch the full video. Otherwise, you may lose some important facts. These are very important secrets that you must know. And I don't want to waste your time. I just want to be clear to the point. Okay, let's go. The first point is research and stay informed. Always follow macroeconomic indicators. Watch the Federal Reserve's interest rate decisions. Inflation data and unemployment reports should also be studied. Along with it, there is one more thing which we should study, that is GDP growth. The second point, sector trends. Understand which sectors are booming. For example, green energy and AI or artificial intelligence and tech innovation are the most potential growth areas in 2024. The third point is company fundamentals. Focus on the companies with strong balance sheet, and consistent earnings should also be there with the company. Its growth potential should also be seen. The fourth point is diversification. Spread your investments by diversifying across different sectors. For example, technology, consumer goods, healthcare, and asset classes like stocks, ETFs, and bonds. You know, guys, it is very important for us to be patient in this entrepreneurship. In share market, the volatility and the different variations are very common to take place. So we should not lose our patience. Okay, we should be patient and very ready to change with the things that are happening around us.